For years, the conversation has been dominated by Sony's ZV series and the dominance of the smartphone. But while everyone was looking at their phone screens, Nikon was in a lab, redesigning the very DNA of what a compact creator camera should be. Today, we are talking about the Nikon Z32. This isn't just a vlogging camera. This is the machine that aims to bridge the gap between hobbyist and professional cinematographer for a price that seems almost impossible. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to take your YouTube, TikTok, or filmmaking career to the next level, the next 30 minutes will prove that the moment has finally arrived. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's talk about the problem with modern cameras. They are either too big, too complicated, or too limited. You either carry a brick or you settle for a sensor that can't handle a sunset. The Nikon Z32 changes that narrative. At its heart is a brand new 26.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, specifically tuned for the skin tones and dynamic range that creators in the US market demand. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about the Nikon look. We're talking about that rich, organic color science that makes you look like you're shooting on a Hollywood set, even if you're just in your bedroom with a single LED light. But a pretty picture is useless if the camera can't keep you in focus. The original Z30 was good, but the Z32 is terrifyingly smart. Nikon has ported over the Expeed 7 processor from their $5,000 flagship Z9. Let that sink in for a second. The same brain that powers a professional sports camera is now inside this compact vlogging body. What does that mean for you? It means real-time subject recognition that doesn't just look for eyes. It identifies birds, vehicles, animals, and even the smallest details of a human face. Whether you are running through the streets of New York or doing a makeup tutorial, the focus sticks to you like glue. No more hunting focus. No more ruined takes. Now, let's talk about the 4K. Everyone offers 4K, but not all 4K is created equal. The Z32 offers 4K 60p with zero crop. I repeat, zero crop. Most cameras in this price range chop off the edges of your frame the moment you hit 60 frames per second, making your wide-angle lens look like a zoom lens. Not Nikon. You get the full width of that beautiful sensor, giving you that creamy, blurred background, the bokeh that makes your videos look expensive. And for the first time in this series, we are seeing 10-bit internal recording. This is the secret sauce for anyone who wants to color grade. You can push your shadows, pull your highlights, and create a custom vibe that separates your channel from the millions of others using standard settings. The design of the Z32 tells a story of less is more. Nikon stripped away the electronic viewfinder to make the camera incredibly light, but they didn't sacrifice the grip. If you've ever held a Sony ZV-E10, you know it can feel like a slippery bar of soap. The Z32, however, has a deep, ergonomic grip that feels like it was molded to your hand. It gives you the confidence to shoot one-handed while walking through a crowd. And the tally light on the front? It's brighter and more intuitive. You'll never have to ask, wait, am I recording? Ever again. Let's address the audio. In the USA market, good enough audio is the fastest way to lose viewers. The Z32 features a massive, built-in stereo microphone with a redesigned wind muff system. It's better than any other internal mic on the market. But more importantly, Nikon has added a digital audio interface through the hot shoe. This means you can plug in professional-grade mics without messy cables hanging off the side of your camera, blocking your flip-out screen. It's clean, it's professional, and it sounds incredible. But here is the feature that is going to make the Z32 a viral sensation: vertical intelligence. Nikon has finally realized that half of the world's content is watched on a phone. When you flip the camera vertically, the entire menu system, the focus points, and the UI rotate with you. It sounds simple, but it changes your workflow. It makes shooting for Instagram and TikTok feel native, not like an afterthought. And then there's the UVC/UAC compliance. In a world of remote work and live streaming, the Z32 is the ultimate webcam. You don't need special software or a capture card. You plug one USB-C cable into your Mac or PC, and suddenly you are the highest quality person in the Zoom meeting. You can stream 4K directly to YouTube or Twitch for hours without the camera even getting warm. The internal cooling has been optimized with a new high-efficiency thermal pad that pulls heat away from the sensor, allowing for infinite recording times in standard environments. Now, let's talk about the lens ecosystem. The Z-mount is the largest mount in the industry, which means it lets in more light. Nikon's DX lenses, like the 12 to 28 mm power zoom, are perfect for vloggers. They are light, sharp, and silent. But the beauty of the Z32 is that you can put a $2,000 professional S-line lens on the $700 body and get images that are indistinguishable from a high-end cinema camera. It's a camera that grows with you. You might start with the kit lens, but the ceiling for what you can achieve is limitless. Why is this the Sony killer? Because Nikon is offering a build quality that feels substantial. It doesn't feel like plastic, it feels like a tool. The buttons have a satisfying click. The screen is a high-resolution touch panel that is responsive even in the rain. And the battery life has seen a 20% boost thanks to the efficiency of the Expeed chip. You can go out for a full day of shooting in the city and not have to carry 5 spare batteries in your pocket. We also have to talk about the price. In an economy where everything is getting more expensive, Nikon is rumored to be keeping the Z32 under the $800 mark for the body. That is insane value. You are getting flagship autofocus, 10-bit video, a pro-level grip, and the best color science in the game for less than the price of a high-end smartphone. It's a move that puts the pressure squarely on Sony and Canon to stop gatekeeping features. As we look toward the future of content, the Nikon Z32 stands out because it doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It is laser-focused on the creator. It's for the person who wants to tell stories. It's for the traveler who wants to document their journey without a heavy bag. It's for the educator who wants to look professional on camera. It is, quite simply, the most balanced camera of the year. If you are sitting there on your phone, wondering if it's time to upgrade, it is. The jump from a smartphone to a Z32 is like jumping from a bicycle to a Ferrari. The depth of field, the low light clarity, and the professional look will give your content an immediate authority that you just can't fake with filters. Stay tuned as we continue to test this beast in real-world conditions. We're going to take it into low-light streets, high-action sports, and quiet studio settings to see if it truly holds up. But from what we've seen so far, the Nikon Z32 isn't just a sequel. It's a masterpiece. It's time to stop making excuses and start making content that looks like art. The era of the Z32 has begun. Are you ready to join the revolution? Vlogging body. What does that mean for you? It means real-time subject recognition that doesn't just look for eyes. It identifies birds, vehicles, animals, and even the smallest details of a human face. Whether you are running through the streets of New York or doing a makeup tutorial, the focus sticks to you like glue. No more hunting focus. No more ruined takes. Now, let's talk about the 4K. Everyone offers 4K, but not all 4K is created equal. The Z32 offers 4K 60p with 0